Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin this time. So on the daily chart, as we said, the previous bearish momentum that stands in the market will press on the price and will become the barrier for immediate upward recovery on the Bitcoin. So this happens not only on Bitcoin, it happens on any market, because the sell-off that stands here keeps bearish momentum valid, and any meaningful retracement leads to appearing on the new selling here, because those who have missed this opportunity to trade starts to watching for a pullback to step in. That's why they trying to catch any meaningful retracement with the hope that this downward action will continue. And appearing of these selling orders will lead to some bearish dynamic pressure, bearish pressure that stands on a meaningful retracement. So the new sellers step in here, and that is how the bearish momentum impact on the market when the first attempt at retracement is taken. So that is what you see right now. So market has hit just minus 30% retracement. This is not even 30% from the whole thrust. This is 30% just from this top to this low, and you can see already market turns down again. So that's why when we see the first pullback after the solid sell-off, we're usually watching for a deeper retracement. It could be not just even retracement, it could be a different scale of the retracement. It could be 618, for example. It could be double bottom, or ultimately it could be the butterfly, with the new lows could be created here as well. Because butterfly is, reversal pattern, and appearing of the butterfly and creating new lows is a result of the same pressure of the rest of the bearish momentum that exists. Because it means that somehow it is weaker, and in this case market shows just 618 retracements. Sometimes it's stronger, and in this case market could form the double bottom or even butterfly. That's the action that we will keep watching right now. So we start from the first most conservative scenario, where market will form retracement inside of this swing, not the double bottom, not the butterfly, but kind of the ABCD action. And on a daily chart, we will be watching for regardless triple to buy pattern, guys. That's the first moment. Second moment, recall what we talked about last week. We said that thrust looks good, and we could keep an eye on here also on the Napoli pattern. That could be two possible scenarios, Brent beta or double repo. But right now, Brent beta is eliminated because market was not able to hit major 30% retracement of the thrust. This also, guys, our major resistance area, 48 even approximately. And it means that we do not have the Brent beta. The only Napoli pattern that could be formed is the double repo buying, and in general it corresponds to the idea of the possible reversal or some deep retracement, at least based on the triple two, or maybe some other patterns will be formed here, for example double bottom. All this stuff is mostly the same character, the same direction, the same nature. This is just the different scale of retracement that could happen after this upward action. So that's what we're watching on the daily. On the intraday charts, guys, this weekly chart, on the intraday, this is 4-hour time frame. So take a look at the resistance that we have specified in the middle of the last week keeps well. It's 43 conference resistance, and we said that is good opportunity for taking the short, because probably this resistance will hold the market, because this is just first meaningful upward action. Momentum is strong, and conference will be good opportunity for taking the short position. And indeed, take a look. That's our first drop based on our hourly hand shoulders pattern. I will show you a bit later. We also have talked a bit about it. This is second pullback here, and take a look. Market here on this second action has broken through this support line. It's also important. And here we will keep an eye on the ABCD pattern. This target will be 37.20 approximately. This is the part of our daily regardless triple to buy. This is just a downward action. So if you have the shorts, you could keep them. If you're watching for taking the long position, the first point that we will keep an eye on 37.20. But here, guys, we should be careful. Don't forget the overall setup here, overall sentiment is bearish, and we need to get the clear signs that indeed market is reversing here. If we will see the collapse, the single candle down, it will mean that market could create a double bottom or even butterfly. We need to see gradual action here. In this case, the chance that the triple two indeed will start right from this point will be sufficient. So on the hourly chart, that is how could happen. This action that we see here, that's how hand shoulders works pretty nice. ABCD target of the hand shoulders has been completed. Here we could get the butterfly, guys. The first stop that market could hit, first targets will be 38 even, because this will be the 618 support of the whole upward action. And also, guys, this will be 127 extension of the butterfly. This first target the market could reach. Next target that I said will be 37.20. That approximately corresponds to 1618 butterfly. It's right here. So 1618 stands a bit lower. That will be the next target that we'll be watching for. So that's approximately the trading plan that we'll follow on Bitcoin. So we will keep an eye on this ABCD action, and first area that we focus right now is the AB equals CD target. Depending on what we'll see here, if no, this kind of action will follow right here. That's probably here we could get the upward continuation. If this will be fast dropping, let's be prepared for either double bottom here on the daily chart, or it could become the butterfly. So it could become the left wing of the butterfly, it's large action, and that could become the right wing of the butterfly. You may argue that here, for example, it's one risky moment exists. To take a look here, potentially market could form the butterfly with the upward continuation. Yes, indeed, this risk exists until these lows holds, so until market stands above the B point. But why I do not talk about this possible butterfly? Just because of the momentum, guys, in overall context, because we have the bearish trend across the board on the daily, on intraday charts, we have the strong bearish momentum. That's why currently chances stands in favor of the deeper retracement rather than immediate upward fast continuation. So that's why I do not talk about this possible butterfly. So let's see what we will get. If you have the short positions, don't forget to manage it. Move your stops to the break even. So see you tomorrow on the next update on the Bitcoin.